Okay class, I am passing around Learning Sheet 10, Part 1, and I want you to get your rename strategy sheet. I will demonstrate one example for you. Let's look at number 1. R reminds us to read the problem first. It says 407 minus 257. The E reminds us to examine the ones column and use the BBB sentence for ones. Bigger number on bottom means break down a 10 and trade. Is the 7 bigger than 7?
No, they are the same.
Correct. Since 7 is not bigger than 7, we do not need a trade. The N reminds us to note the ones in the ones column. We know that 7 minus 7 equals 0, so I will neatly write a 0 in the ones column between the lines separating the numbers. I want you to do this in your learning sheet too. Alright, the A reminds us to address the tens in the tens column and use the BBB sentence for tens. Bigger number on bottom means break down 100 and trade. I see that the bottom number 5 is bigger than the top number 0. So I need to trade. I will break down one of my hundreds, cross out the 4, and write a 3, and add 10 ones to the 0 tens. Cross out your 0 and write a 10. And I'll end up with 10 tens. I want you to write this on your learning sheet too. Next, the M reminds us to mark the tens in the tens column. We know that 10 minus 5 equals 5, so I'll write a 5 in the tens column under the answer line. I forgot this. I want you to do this on your learning sheet too. Finally, the E reminds us to examine and note the hundreds in the hundreds column. We have 3 hundreds and need to take away 2, so that means that I will have 1 left over. Now I will neatly write a 1 in the hundreds column between the lines separating the numbers. I need to check my work now, so I will add 150 plus 257 to see if I get the top number. I got 407, so the answer is correct.